Discover the elegance of the Fragment of Nature Aspen scarf. Measuring 17 by 65 inches, it's the perfect accessory for any season. Made from heather gray 100% polyester, featuring a cozy sweater knit design. Designed for convenience, machine washable and wrinkle-free, finished with a durable marrow edge for a polished look. Expertly folded and sewn to conceal the plain heather gray base, crafted in Canada. Elevate your style with the Aspen scarf. Available now. Available on Le Galeriste, at Storefront Rothko Exceptional Arts.